Hi guys. This video is about 60 basic English phrases for traveling with ease. To support me making more videos, please subscribe. English is a common language all over the world. It is studied in most countries and has been established as a major means of communication in fields ranging from business and education to even aviation. That means that you're likely to find someone who speaks English no matter where you go. This also means that you, as an English-speaking traveler, have the opportunity to go to many places around the world and practice your English. So before starting your world tour, make sure to watch this video. Let's go for it. Greetings. Greetings is words that you say at the beginning of a conversation. It seems straightforward and easy for English learners. However, they are essential to conversation. You need good greetings to be understood well while you are traveling an English-speaking country. Here these are most common ones. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening. These phrases are used as a standard greeting for English speakers. Hello, hi, and hey. Hello has the highest formality and should be used for people you don't know or in formal situations. Hi is slightly less formality, but I wouldn't use it for people in authority. Hey should only be used for friends and family. How are you? How is it going? This question normally comes after the greetings above, and it is used to ask someone how they are feeling. At the airport. When you go to an English-speaking country, your first encounters of English will probably be at an airport. This chapter, we have phrases to make checking into your flight a breeze. The check-in process enables passengers to confirm they will be on the respective flight, obtain a boarding pass, possibly select their seat and check in luggage onto a plane, if desired. I would like. This phrase is the standard and polite way to say that you want or you would desire something. For example, if you're thirsty, you might say, I would like some water. What time is my flight? Airports are not always great for communicating travel times, but this question will help make sure you don't miss your flight and you get to your destination. What airline am I flying? An airline is the company which owns the plane you're flying on. Where is my gate? A gate is the point of entry to the airplane, and it is the place where you will wait before boarding your flight. Where is the restroom? A restroom is a place where you go to freshen up and use the toilet. This phrase has many variations, and countries call this room many different things: a bathroom, a washroom, the toilets. How much does the magazine cost? Who wants to travel without some entertainment? By asking how much a particular magazine costs, you can figure out how much money you have to pay for it. You can also replace the word magazine with other words for items you might want to buy, such as water bottle, snack or book. On the airplane. So, you've made it through the airport and you're on the airplane. This chapter is about phrases for having a good flight. Are meals included? A meal is a collection of food served at one time. Not all airlines provide meals, so it may be good to ask if you'll be fed on your flight. May I have something to eat or drink? If your meals aren't included, use this phrase to get some food or a drink anyway. May I purchase headphones? If you don't have any headphones to use for the television on the plane, ask the flight attendant if you can buy a pair. What time is it? This is a standard question for figuring out what time of the day it is. This may be a useful question to ask when you are flying over different time zones. At customs. After the airport and the airplane comes the most stressful experience for travelers. Customs. This is the part where you have to explain why you have arrived in a country and tell officers what your intentions are. But don't stress. These phrases will help you out. I have a connecting flight. If you've arrived in a country where you will not be staying, this is how you say you will be boarding another plane to go somewhere else. I am traveling for leisure. If you're traveling for fun or for vacation, use this phrase to let the officer know. I am traveling for work. If you're traveling on behalf of your company or you are on business, this phrase will tell the officer that. I will be here for some days. In the blank, give the number of days you will be at your English-speaking destination. I am visiting family. If you have family members at your destination, the customs officer will want to know this. Make sure you tell them the name and address of your family if they ask. I am staying at. The customs officer may ask you where you will be sleeping at your destination. Have the name of your hotel ready. Arriving at your destination. After the air travel comes the real fun part. Your destination. This chapter is about common phrases that will help you get around and explore. Do you have a map? Using a map will definitely be helpful to find things around your destination like a restaurant, attractions, and even your hotel. Where is the currency exchange? A currency exchange is a place where you take the money you use in your own country and get it changed to the money they use at your destination. Where is the bus stop? Finding a bus stop will be especially helpful if you want to find a cheap way to get around. Asking, "Where is this bus going?" will also be helpful to know if you're heading to the right place. Where can I find a taxi? No bus around? That's fine. Take a taxi. It is also called a cab in some places. I would like to go to. Fill in the blank with the place you want to go, and you'll be on your way. Do you know where this hotel is? If you get lost, always try to find your way back to the hotel. I don't understand. This phrase will help native English speakers know that English isn't your first language. You can also say, "I don't speak English very well," and ask them to please speak slowly if you're still having trouble. At the hotel. Aside from your flight, the next more important thing while abroad is your accommodation, and if you're staying in a hotel and not with friends or family, the following phrases will come in handy. Does the room have a bathroom? As noted before, bathroom is another word for restroom, and it's always good to know whether your room has a private bathroom or a shared bathroom. How many beds are in the room? This question will also be helpful to know if there are enough places to sleep for the number of people in your hotel room. I would like one queen bed, please. A queen bed is one that allows two people to sleep comfortably on it. I would like 2 double beds, please. 2 people can sleep on a double bed, but sometimes, only one person sleeps in a double bed so they have extra space. What floor am I on? A floor in this situation refers to the level of the hotel. Where are the elevators? In the event that you're on a high floor, you may want to use the elevator to help you get to your room. How do I access the internet? Some hotels may have Wi-Fi, and should you want to use it, you'll have to ask how to access it. You could also ask, what is the password for the Wi-Fi? Is there free breakfast? Some hotels include a small breakfast free of charge. Ask at the reception desk about this. My room needs towels. Most of the time, housekeeping will make sure that you have everything you need. Should they forget, ask for towels or bed sheets or toilet paper. My room is messy, and I would like it cleaned. Should the room not be clean, don't be afraid to ask to have it cleaned again. How do I call for room service? Room service means that someone will come up to your room to deliver food and sometimes even alcohol. How do I call down to the front desk? The front desk is another word for the reception desk. Most are open all day and night, and if you need something, you should call down to these people first. Around town. Vocabulary for the airport and your hotel is fine, but you travel to visit a new place. This chapter is about phrases to help you out while you're exploring. Where can I find a grocery store? Grocery stores are places where you can buy food if you don't want to eat in restaurants. Where is the hospital? A hospital may be needed if you or someone you're traveling with gets sick or injured. Where can I find a restaurant? Tired of making your own meals? Heading to a restaurant will be a good way to try local cuisine. Where is the bank? If you run out of money, you may need to go by a bank to get more. How do you get to? Using this phrase will help you determine how to get to the places you wanted to visit. How far is it to? This phrase will help you figure out whether something is close enough to walk to or if you should take a taxi or a bus. Directions. It has a unique video in my channel. I'll put it at the end of this video. At a restaurant. After a long day exploring, food is always a welcome break. This chapter is about restaurant phrases and ordering food. A table for 2 or 4. The number indicates how many people will be eating with you at the restaurant. I would like to drink. Finish this phrase with the name of the drink you want, and your thirst will be quenched. Popular drinks are water, soda pop, beer and wine. May I see a menu? A menu will help you decide what you want to eat. I would like to order. Fill in the blank with an item off of the menu or one of these items. For example, I'll have soup. Soup is a common way to start meals. I'll have a salad. If it's too warm for soup, try a salad. I'll have a hamburger. Hamburgers are quite common restaurant foods. Make sure to let the server know what you want on it though. I'll have chicken. Don't eat beef. Try some chicken. I'll have an appetizer. An appetizer is a small dish you eat before the main course. I would like dessert. A dessert is a sweet dish you eat after the main course. May I have the bill? The bill indicates how much you have to pay after you eat the meal. Make sure to ask for this. At some restaurants, the waiters will not bring it to your table unless you ask. Common problems. Even with careful planning and these phrases, you may encounter some problems. This chapter is about some phrases to help you out if something bad happens. I have lost my passport. If you've lost your passport, you'll need to find an embassy for your home country. You could ask for the embassy address too. For example, where is the United States Embassy in London? Someone stole my money. If someone stole your money or something else from you, you'll need to contact the police. In the United States, you can call 911 on a phone. Help. If something bad is happening to you, calling out this word will get people's attention and will get you assistance. Hopefully, you won't need any of those phrases for emergencies. It's better to be prepared, anyway. Thank you for watching. Please comment your feedback.